How to enable or disable the text spacious network in intelligent Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connections. So after click on connections, so click on Wi-Fi. So after click on Wi-Fi, click on this three dot icon and click on intelligent Wi-Fi. So after click on intelligent Wi-Fi, you will see detect suspicious network is here. So if you want to disable detect suspicious networks, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see detect suspicious network is disabled. So if you want to enable detect suspicious networks, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see detect suspicious network is enabled. So you will enable or disable detect suspicious networks from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable detect suspicious networks with intelligent Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.